This video will guide you through the process of replacing the catalytic converter on a 2015 Kia Soul L4 1.6 liters. Catalytic converters are located as close to the engine exhaust ports as possible, where temperatures are high enough to heat the catalyst to operating temperature. Begin by removing the catalytic converter. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. Use a lift to raise the vehicle to access height as needed. 1. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. 2. Disconnect the upstream heated oxygen sensor connector. 3. Remove 3 screws from the heat protector. 4. Use an oxygen sensor socket to remove the upstream oxygen sensor, then remove the heat protector. 5. Remove the engine splash shield. 6. Disconnect the downstream oxygen sensor connector. 7. Disconnect the front muffler rubber hanger. 8. Remove the front muffler. 9. Remove the drive shaft heat protector. 10. Use a 12mm swivel socket with a long extension and universal joint or flex adapter to remove the catalytic converter. Finally, install the new catalytic converter. 1. Use a swivel socket with long extension and universal joint or flex adapter to install the catalytic converter and using new gaskets. Tighten the bolts to 21.7 to 25.3 foot-pounds. 2. Install the driveshaft heat protector and tighten the bolts to 19.6 to 29.4 Newton-meters, or 14.5 to 21.7 foot-pounds. 3. Install the front muffler and tighten the bolts to 39 to 58.8 Newton-meters, or 28.9 to 43.4 foot-pounds. 4. Connect the front muffler rubber hanger. 5. Connect the downstream oxygen sensor connector. 6. Install the heat protector. 7. Install the upstream oxygen sensor into the catalytic converter. 8. Reconnect the upstream heated oxygen sensor connector. 9. Tighten the bolt holding the engine splash shield to complete the installation process. This concludes the procedure for replacing a catalytic converter on a 2015 Kia Soul L4 1.6 liters. Thank you for watching.